What is up, guys, and welcome back to BNR Fishing. I am Roby, and today's video, we're just out here, basically part 3, see if we can catch another fish, because we caught one in the last video. So yeah, that's what I'm going to try to do. So, let's go to the pond. Alright, y'all, we are out here. It is later on in the day, and I'm just wanted to come back out here. We did a little bit of work around the house earlier today, and so that was pretty good, you know. Everything's looking pretty good with that, but I just want to be out here fishing, so I came back out here. We're gonna see what we cannot do. I've not been fishing this late evening in a while, and I'm excited because it was warm today. So I don't know what that means for these fish, but maybe it might mean something good. Imagine catching one first cast. I caught some vegetation. Alright, guys, so I'm just out here throwing this jig. I'm on the Mock Smash. Y'all know how much I love this pole and reel, this little combo here. Can't beat it, honestly. I will stand by that. You never know what might happen. Alright, y'all. Yeah, so we're here, we're fishing. So I'm just gonna try to throw this jig up in some spots that I think might work. I'm not for sure what they're even biting this evening because it's late evening. It's just about dark, but I also wanted to fish a little bit because, like, why not, you know? No, that's loud. Let's cast right out here, kind of where I first got, like the other day, I got that fish. Just move that bait, move that jig slowly across the bottom. There's a woodpecker. That's fun. If I would never set the hook though, could have been a fish. Yeah, that's one thing I don't like about it, and I'm very grateful for it, but like, it like takes forever. Like, you can't just turn it on, take it off. It's gotta collaborate, and most of the time it don't. So like, it takes forever, and I don't even get to take it off most of the time. Sometimes it works and sometimes it don't. You just gotta play with it. Look at that jig. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but that is it. What? Oh, are we good to go? We're connected. We hit GPS now. I know that. Alright, this is horizontal collaboration. I'm just learning this with y'all. Oh, that's horizontal still. Why'd it beep? That thing makes no sense. I just want to fly it so I can get some cool footage for y'all. When it's in there, it's bad to the bone. It's just the fact of getting it there. I don't understand. Come on now. Y'all, you can collaborate. Come on, you can do it. Trying to film a YouTube video and catch a bunch of fish here. You can do it. That's far beyond what I know about technology. Someone's texting me. Who is this? Lord, I really just want to get some footage for my YouTube. But if it's not in your will, don't worry about it. We had to fix that little bit of a... I don't know what this thing is on. I don't understand. Oh, I can power it back on. That might help. Yeah, guys, I'm confused with this thing. Why can't you just be like regular and connect to the internet or whatever we're connecting to? Stuff on it. Come on now. Let's sit down and collaborate. You're vertical. Horizontal, I mean. Come on. You can do it. Super beautiful evening here on God. It's a beautiful Saturday. Brady went fishing today and filmed it, and he caught a fish. You really can't beat this. It's wonderful. I'm not having the greatest day ever with my fishing, but you know what? It's okay. It happens. I'm blessed beyond, I don't even know what, to even be able to come out here and try to catch a fish. So, I'm happy with whatever. If it ruins your day to go fishing and miss a fish or something, then I don't know what you're living for, honestly. God has given you the ability to walk and be able to have balance and stand on a boat, you know what I mean? So just keep that in mind if you're having like a bad fishing day. Don't get mad. Just think about what the Lord has done for you. And then you should straighten up after that, because the human body, you tend to be mad if you have like a bad fishing day, or like you're like, what did I even come out here for type stuff. But like, you know, I about got knocked in the face right there. Holy crap. Good grief. Put that in slow-mo. Yeah. Yep, like, that's what I'm saying, like, just, I'm so blessed. Look at that skip. Let's be legit here and catch some fish on this late evening. Come on now. Come on, let's catch one. We can do it. Come on, just feel that bite. Just feel that bite. Well, that was, I mean, you have days like that. I didn't fish too much today. I fished early this morning. Didn't get anything. I fished late this evening. Didn't get anything, but it's okay. I mean, it happens. Fishing's like that. I'm just thankful I'm able to come out here and just be able to cast a fishing pole, because that's what's fun to me. I love catching fish, but I love just being out here in God's creation and just in the wilderness, because it's better than being inside on like a video game or something. I can tell you that right now. But yes, thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.